Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of our travel podcast, Where to Next. So, for today's episode, I want you to imagine this. Imagine you're at your home and you're doing a little bit of renovation and you knock a wall down. But when you knock that wall down, you discover something super interesting. You discover a passage. And that passage is not just some small passage that leads to probably the basement of your house. The passage leads you to something that looks like an underground city. A city that's filled with rooms, a city that is filled with air chambers, maybe churches, maybe huge spaces, a city that even has been built underground to house animals. This seems like it is coming out of a movie, but no, this happened in Turkey. This happened in Turkey many years ago, where one individual discovered a city while just renovating his house. And that city was massive. And it left researchers, archaeologists, everyone puzzled as to who built this city, why was this city not discovered for such a long time, and finally, why was this city built? Like, why would people need such a big underground city that has passages, that has corridors, that has halls, that has rooms, everything under the ground? So, on today's episode of Where to Next, we are talking about underground cities, and we are going to talk about this underground city and many other underground cities that you can discover around the world. So, Sunila, what is this city that I'm talking about? And I mentioned Turkey, but tell us more about this city.
Neil, the city you're talking about is Derinkuyu, which is in Cappadocia.
Yeah.
So, very often in Cappadocia, you're looking at the skies, you're looking at these wonderful hot air balloons floating everywhere, the fairy chimneys, the landscape is so amazing. It's a place you can't forget if you've been there. Very often we forget to look beneath, like we forget to look underground. So, Derinkuyu is the place that you mentioned, and I think in around 1963, this man was renovating his house and he discovered an entire city below there. So sometimes I wonder how many more such hidden cities, hidden places are there in this world, right? And Derinkuyu actually at one point could take something like 20,000 inhabitants.
Yeah,
So
that's what
just
I also
imagine,
read.
like amazing, right?
And
How
then
it was built.
people didn't know at that time why it was built and all of that, but one story suggests that it was built to keep enemies away.
Yeah.
Second is that it was built in such a way that tunnels are very narrow, so it slows your enemy down. It was built in such a way where stone passages could be sealed shut easily. And in spite of it being underground, one of the cool things was that it had air chambers,
Yeah.
which means like air could flow.